Good afternoon. Welcome to this monthly session of NP Financials. We start with general financial product advice warning. I hope you all can hear me and can see my screen. Is it?
Yep.
Yes.
Very good, fantastic. So NP Financials Pty Limited, NP Financials or NPF advises all service recipients of the following. This information is provided only on general financial product advice basis. This is only educational in nature. Trading securities, derivatives, CFDs, foreign exchange contracts can be risky and is not suitable for all. I'll give you 10 more seconds to go through it, and when you are done, please let me know.
Hey, Partha, I'm done.
Done? Very
Yeah,
good.
I'm good.
Very good. Excellent. Fantastic. Yeah. So we'll do that, and we will start with your question. Sri has sent. You can. There are two ways to. There are two ways to participate in this meeting. One is online, virtually as you are doing, and the next one is send your questions beforehand, as Sri always do, and many of you others also do. But we'll start with Sri's questions. Please find my questions. How do the professional forex trader perform price action on a currency pair for weekly and monthly basis? So he is asking how do a professional forex trader do price action on a currency. Okay, so I consider all of you as forex trader, professional forex traders, and then I will start with Marty to answer his way of what the Sri is asking. Please, Marty.
Okay, well, for a weekly and monthly basis time frame, I find our entries to be quite stronger than our smaller time frames. I do pay a lot of attention to support and resistance on the higher time frames. They seem to be pretty reliable. And candlesticks off of support or resistance usually work pretty well. That's my take on it.
Okay.
So what Marty has said, okay, what Marty said, can you interpret Sri what Marty said?
Yeah, basically he looks into the monthly or weekly and monthly support resistance.
Yeah.
Yes, candlestick pattern at that point
Yeah,
is usually pretty reliable.
Yeah, candlestick pattern, candlestick pattern. So my question is basically I'm setting up to trade, to trade. So how do I pick that pair? Then I go for what is that? Price action analysis.
Marty,
That's my objective. Let's
I
say for
will
example.
don't worry. I will answer all your questions, but I want to listen from all of you. Yeah,
Sure,
Marty,
sure. Yeah.
Marty, you want to answer that question?
I like to stay away from a currency pair that is going through a consolidation
Okay.
at the time. As long as it's trending, I'd probably rather stick to that.
Okay, so this trending pattern you see in weekly or monthly, or the time frame which you are intended to trade.
Yep, if I am weekly, on the weekly time frame, I look for a consolidation on the weekly or a trend on the weekly only.
So what is trend to you, Marty?
A trend is where we have I don't know, a swing high followed by a swing low followed by a higher swing high. That's the start of a trend for me.
So everyone understood what Marty said?
Yep.
Higher highs and higher lows for uptrend, lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend.
Swing high, yeah, please, yeah, you are right, 300%, but swing high. He talked about swing highs. So this is swing highs, and this is swing low, isn't it?
Yeah.
So higher high and higher low, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, swing highs.
Yeah, any question to him, Sri?
So, so basically, we got 8 currency pairs. So you scan all the 8 pairs on the weekly basis. Then you identify which one is trending, right? And you stick, you further filter out. Okay, it is trending, and then you look into the further reversal patterns via the candlestick analysis. Then you drill down and you finalize. Let's say maybe 1, 2, or 3 pairs. Then you'll stick to that particular week. Is that correct, Marty?
Absolutely. Like some weeks I might have 3 or 4 entries, then the next week I might not have an entry at all.
Correct. Yeah, that's correct. So you first you work on this weekly analysis, then you stick to your, let's say, whatever the 2 days or 12-hourly or daily. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, I like the
Okay.
weekly just through the reliability I've found with it. That's all.
Right. Yeah.
Satisfied with Marty's answer, Sri?
I'm satisfied with Marty's answer, sir. But
Yeah.
what is the big traders or the professional traders? Of course, Marty is also a professional trader, but is that everyone does, or something they do have a other analysis or other knowledge, or do they see other markets? Just I would like to understand. Yeah.
Okay.
More.
Ronak, would you like to share your experience?
I've got very little experience in this. Yeah, I don't know what to add to that, Partha, because yeah, for a newbie, with the limited knowledge that I have, yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, not a problem. Absolutely fine. All right.
So
Sri,
this question I'm asking, I am setting up a trading business. I would like to understand in depth how the big market players like yourself, how do you prepare? How do you pick? How do you bet your money? I mean, how do you commit your money on a weekly and a daily basis?
very good. Excellent. All good. Very nice. Okay. So what we can do?
Because what I'm having thought process what it's running is I forgot that question. Okay, I'll come back to that. Yeah. I'll come back to that question later. Yeah.
Later? All right.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, not a problem. Thanks, Marty. Thanks, Ronak. Thanks, Sri. Yeah, that's very good. What we see from the professionalism perspective is if we are trading a very simple way. I'll try to answer Sri's question is very simple way. If the currency pair is trading above 200 moving average on a daily or a 24-hour, which is daily, above 200, we generally say the trend is up. If it is below 200, then we generally say it is the trend is down. Yeah, so that is the starting point. It's no fuss, no nothing. Just plain and simple definition of a daily trend from a professional perspective. Yeah, so
it's on daily. It's on daily.
It's on daily. So that is one. That is one aspect. Yeah. But as we all know, a trend consists of impulsive and corrective. Impulsive and corrective. Impulsive and corrective. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right. Impulsive and let it come. Impulsive and corrective. So let it come. So even if we say that the trend is long because it is above the 200 moving average, yeah. So from here to here the trend is long, isn't it? Even if the trend is long in the 200 moving average perspective, 200 moving average perspective, we all know the trend is impulsive, consists of impulsive and corrective, impulsive and corrective, impulsive and corrective, isn't it?
Yeah.
So and the price tends to, when it is touching the 200 moving average for a daily. I'll go to the Marty's perspective weekly. Before that, I'm making it pretty simple, that we all know that from NP Financials, we all know that any support resistance for it thanks to Marty, we are now using yearly R1 R2 yearly pivot points along with monthly pivot points. So along with pivot points, moving average or a Fibonacci or a demand supply line coming from yearly, drawn from yearly or quarterly, can be extremely important. So let's stick on to our 200 moving average. So whenever it touches the 200 moving average, we are interested to see whether there is a crack and snapback happening or not. So this is a crack and snapback, isn't it?
Yep.
Like this is a crack and snapback. We all know what is crack and snapback.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So so that is the simplest and most one of the professional way how we can identify what is the trend. Yeah.
Okay.
The problem is above 200 is long, and long, this is fine, and long consists of impulsive up and corrective down. We all know that.
Yep.
Yeah, impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, and corrective down, and we'll see the as Marty says, higher peaks and higher drops. We'll see higher higher peaks and higher drops, P and T going up, as well as the P star and T star. Till this point it was a P star, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
Till this point it was a P star, and this is broken here, and most easy way is to see the uptrend is the T star impact. See, this the T star is intact.
Correct. Yeah.
This T star is intact.
Yes.
That is the magic of knowing what is the trend. That is another simple way of NP Financials way to understand if it is T star are intact, then it is going up. Yeah. When the T star started breaking, like this fellow recently, we'll see that this T star got broken. Yeah. Then this T star got broken. So when the T star is getting broken, then we have a problem that it is possibly doing corrective action, or it is going into a range market, or it is changing the trend if it is going below the 200.
Yeah.
So far so good.
Yes. So far so good. Yeah.
Any question?
No, clear.
All right. So we know very clearly that what is a trend and what trend is consist of impulsive and corrective, and how do we know the corrective, the break of 1 and 2, we all know. So like this fellow here is a double top, isn't it, from here to here? Anyone disagrees? No. So this is the double top, and this, it can break 1, cannot break 2, means it has to break this first top, which is broken. Break means close below low taken out. Yeah. And then it has to break the second, which is this one. So immediately we come to know that this is the where is my line? So I'll bring that lines here. So this is the line I'm looking for. Yeah. So at this top we have this one, the first it can break 1, and this is the first 2, isn't it? So at around 140 81, after 142.71, it is coming to a corrective action. Is it with my answer, is it possible for you to now know is it is impulsive up or corrective down in an uptrend?
It is corrective down at the moment.
So as soon as this is broken, the second T star is broken, then we have a corrective down. This is very simple. The only problem is when it starts playing with the 200 like crazy. Then we have a range market. That is the biggest challenge of a trader, how to make money in a range market. And all said and done, range market, it is extremely simple to lose money. Let it come. So how to avoid that range market and how to know that it is in a range market, because markets can stay for a range, in a range market, maybe for 6 days, for 6 weeks, or maybe for 6 months. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what Marty said. He avoids the range market, isn't it?
So just can I interrupt?
Go.
Now you are using this ASX 200, yeah, as a
Yeah.
chart,
Yeah.
yeah. So it means you already worked out that you are looking into Aussie dollar or something else, or you
No,
just picked a
no, no,
chart.
no. Forget about the instrument here. I'm just talking
Okay,
about.
okay.
I'm now just talking about trend and range. That's what I'm talking
Okay,
about. Yeah.
understood, understood. Yeah,
So from, as you can see, this is a crack and snapback here,
yeah, yeah,
and then up from here, this is impulsive,
yeah.
and there is hardly any corrective.
Range, yeah, yeah.
Isn't it? There is hardly any corrective. Although there is a corrective, but the corrective actions are very flat. So it is extremely difficult to make money here. Similarly, it is extremely difficult to make money here. Forget about ASX. This can be euro.
Yeah,
This can
sure,
be
sure.
anything. This can be
Okay,
anything. Yeah.
understood. Yeah, yeah.
I am into ASX because I know this was recently has broken the range. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
So
No,
that's
no,
why I have
understood.
picked up this.
No,
So
understood.
while
Yeah,
it is going in a strong uptrend above the 200, can you see the separation, order angle separation, if you remember?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Order
yeah, yeah.
angle separation, if I throw two moving
Yeah.
averages like
Fan out, fan out.
100,
Yeah,
150,
yeah.
then we'll know that the order angle separation of 150 and 200.
Mm.
Let's see the order angle separation. So you can save the 50. So this is 50 and this is 100 and this is 200.
Yeah,
Is the order correct?
it is separating.
No, first is order.
Yes.
50,
Yes, someone
20,
says
yeah,
yes, yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because 50, who told? Balinder?
Yes, man.
Okay. So why the order is correct? Because 50 is above the 100 and 100 is above the 200. See, simple. Yeah. Order angle, is the angle same?
Yeah,
Because all of them are making a positive angle from here, maybe 15 degree, maybe 15, maybe 10 degree. Yeah.
yeah,
And then the separation, is the separation good?
yes, it is, yeah, fanning out.
Yeah, fanning out. Yeah. So everything, order angle separation is correct. So even that means what? Why I have gone to order angle separation, because just to show you that even if in a very strong trending market in which it is above the 200 and above the 50 and above the 100 and order angle separation is very good, then also we can suffer from a range market movements, isn't it?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so that is telling us, even if we have an impulsive and corrective, that corrective can be very volatile in the sense it can get stuck in a range market like this fellow. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is one way to know how to get started. So first we see whether it is above 200 or not, then we see whether it is a corrective or a impulsive. Like this fellow from here to here is definitely impulsive, isn't it? From here to here is definitely impulsive, isn't it? Then here to here is corrective. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then from here to here it is
Broken.
impulsive.
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it?
Bro.
So that is number one. Now number two. Any question here?
No, no question as far as daily chart concerned.
Okay. Now we'll go to many of us like Marty and I don't know any of you or not. Many of us because of the randomness, not random, because of the noise in the daily, because of the noise associated with the daily time frame. Most of us are preferring 2 days time frame, and many of us are also preferring the weekly time frame, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's go to weekly time frame to see how to identify this. Okay, we'll go to weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, you can have 200, you can have 52, because 52 weeks makes 1 year, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
So we can have 52, we can have 52, this is 52, and we can have 200 also. Yeah, that is not required. Yeah, that is not required, just to show you. Yeah, but 200 we can have. In a weekly time frame, best thing to know whether this market is trending or uptrend or downtrend is you cannot rely that much on 200, because 200 weeks means 4 years, isn't it? So better delete this. Yeah, better delete. So one way is to identify is through a channel called this standard deviation channel, this one here at the top. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for the uptrend, and this is for the downtrend. And generally speaking, we can draw, we click here and then draw to here, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So that will it is not important that to go to the bottom of the point, we not required, just on the bar, like this one here is the latest T star, isn't it? Now
Yeah.
that this is another T star. So from here the T star is started going up. This is T star at the same point.
Yeah.
So T star going up, P star going up. So we have a trend. So what we can do, we can just not required to go in on the select the low or high, just be on that bar and draw it from here to here. Okay. So this way is the channel pointing up or down?
Up.
Up.
Isn't it? So this is uptrend. Similarly, from here we can do, yeah. Let me show you how the channel progresses itself. I select this.
Yeah.
I select this and I start from here. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the at that time T star, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That time.
So I go to the next T star. The channel would be like this.
Yeah.
Then automatically it will be like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then next T star is automatically, this will be like that. Automatically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it will be like this. Then it will be like this.
Yeah.
Then it will be like this. See, on this day, 21st of September, the channel has already and taken it safe, isn't it?
Correct.
Why?
So we need to,
I just keep it. I just drop it here. Why? Why? Because this has touched one at the upside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is touched the
One at the
bottom of
down.
one at the down.
Yeah.
And
retest.
yeah.
Retest. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Now let me start moving the channel. So this is the pointer here. I dropped it here. You remember?
Yeah.
See, the channel will not move much after the 21st September to till date 1 year.
Right. Yeah.
Let's see that. So this we'll go to the next one. Has it moved much?
No.
And then we'll go to the next one. Has it moved much? Moved means direction change or something change. Nothing.
No.
Only it is either widening or narrowing, isn't it?
Correct.
Then we'll just go here. Next we'll go here. Next we'll go here. It is only widening. Yeah. All right. So this is uptrend.
Yeah. Uptrend.
All right. Now the channel the up and down is not covered in that channel, isn't it?
It's not covered. Yeah.
So how to do that? How to cover this?
Then go to the lower
Right.
time frame and
No. Right click. Don't think very complicated. Right click
oh,
and configure. And we prefer at NP Financials we prefer this multiplier to be Fibonacci's. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll make it 0.786. You can make it, you can test it 1. Let's try with 1.
Configuring the
Channel. See, I have made it from 1.272 to 1. Now is it touching?
still not.
Still not. So what is the next lower Fibonacci?
61.8.
88.6. You forgot.
Okay. Okay. 1. Okay. Okay. 1. 88.
So is it touching?
No.
So what is the next?
78.2.
78.6. So is it touching?
Almost.
Yeah. No, it has. It has already touched. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll be happy with this. So this is the current channel. So another simple way to know what is the trend is to draw a channel in an uptrend that will tell us whether the peaks are going up, troughs are going up. That's what Marty said, isn't it? Alright. Now we are here on this date. Yeah. today.
Yeah.
I just briefed and just revisited our understanding of trend in a daily time frame and a weekly time frame. Is it clear? Both the time frame trend clear?
Clear. Clear.
So we know P star, T star, we know PT, we know 200, and we know channel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now his question is, how do we start after this? Correct?
Yeah. That's correct.
Okay. So now I'll ask you a question. Which time frame you are asking this question?
Okay. 4 hourly.
4 hourly. So let's make it 4 hourly. Do 4 hourly. 4 hourly keep 200. Yeah. For daily and for 4 hourly, always keep the 200. Make sense? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
150 you may keep, you may not, but it's good. So Sri wanted to know, if I have understood his question, how can we get this trading opportunity here, isn't it, Sri?
Yeah. Yeah.
So for that, in our 4-hour trading education at NP Financials, what we do, we use a weekly time pivot point, isn't it?
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so we'll go here and then make it yearly to weekly. We can easily do it weekly. Yeah. And then monthly is still monthly. Yeah, we can use monthly as well, because we have practice task. If the weekly pivot stays above the monthly pivot, then what happens, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. So now the starting point of tomorrow will be at 9 o'clock. Make sense?
Yeah.
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 Alright. So now we are okay. Before I answer this question, what are your interpretation? Anyone from starting from Marty to Balinder and Ronak, everyone, yeah.
Yep.
One by one, Marty.
It looks as though we're already at a resistance point here, but I wouldn't short it because it's against the trend.
Everyone understood what Marty said?
Yep.
Alright. Anything you want to add, Marty?
No, I'm happy with that.
Okay. Any questions to Marty?
So, weekly R1 is closer to monthly R2. Yeah, well, the previous monthly R2,
Yeah.
or is the current monthly R2?
This is monthly R2M.
Yeah, yeah.
M means monthly.
Monthly. Yeah,
M
monthly
means
R2.
middle. M means middle.
Oh, okay. So that's
This
middle.
is weekly. This is weekly middle R1.
Okay, middle R1. So weekly middle R1 and monthly middle R2, they are in there. So yeah, but looking at the current bar, it is an up bar. So there is, I just say yes, it is a up.
The question is, Marty said clearly he is not going to go long because it is at resistance. We never buy resistance. Remember?
Agree. I never.
Hold
I'm
on.
not entering a new trade.
Hold on.
But
Let me finish. Hold on. So Marty said he is not entering along because it is at resistance, and he also said that he is not going to go short because it is uptrend. That's what he said, isn't it?
correct. Okay.
All right. Now,
yes.
Sri, it is your chance. Go ahead.
Okay. Yes, I understand. It is at the resistance. Yeah. I will stay in a long trade, but there is no reason for me to close the trade, and I will be cautious to enter a new long trade.
Yeah. Correct. All right. Anything you want to add, Sri?
I'm done. Yeah.
Any question to Sri?
No.
Okay, Ronak.
Yeah, no. Look, as Marty said, I would be staying away. I would watch probably. I don't know. I'll give it a couple of hours and see what the market is doing. It could be a fake breakout as well. It may go back into the range. So yeah, I would wait before entering this trade, and I would see what the trend is doing.
Very good. How long you will wait, and till what
Um,
price level?
Usually, look, I've never done this 4 hours thing. I'm
Yeah,
only around 15 minutes, 30
yeah,
minutes. So
yeah,
I would wait till around 10:30, 11ish.
yeah.
And by then I should, or we should get some clarity on what the rest of the day is going to hold like.
Fantastic. Thank you, Ben. Valinder,
We will
I would,
not,
sorry.
Valinder.
yes, sorry. We
Good.
will not enter in any new trade. We will wait for the price to correct a little bit. And until it doesn't come to the weekly pivot points, only then we will be able to make a new trade because already it's near the resistance. Or if we are in already in a trade and we don't want to close it, then we can put the last day of the close as a exit point. That's what I would be doing.
Can you repeat the last point?
Like if I wouldn't be making any trade, but if we are already in a trade, like if we are carrying the trade forward, we can, because it's already near the what do you call it, resistance weekly, so we can put the last day, like Friday lowest low point as a exit point if it breaks that one. That's my thinking.
Okay. Very good.
So
Fantastic.
basically, wait for it to play around the resistance line, whether if it breaks it or goes under it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now I can
Very
clearly
good.
see.
Fantastic. All right. Very good. Now I would add 2 cents. I think I would like all of your answers, but I'll a little bit more like what Valinder said. So what I will possibly, but market is market. What I would like out of our 5 traders which are discussing now, many of them are absent today. So what I'll first do, possibly I'll do one thing, that I'll draw a line here for a breakout, isn't it? Market can break out, can be.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, of course.
Of course it can break out. Oh, everyone agrees that. So market can break out. So for breakout, this is the check. So if this close above and high taken out, then possibly I'll go long. Next, I'll do wait for till this point to come, or this point to come, or this point to come. Any one of these. So possibly
ATR.
no. This
Attempt,
the line.
attempt to reverse.
No, this is
Yeah.
this. Yeah, attempt to
Okay.
touch and reverse. Yeah,
Yeah,
ATR.
okay.
Correct. Attempt to touch. This is the pivot point. Attempt to touch and reverse. But before pivot point, we have a monthly support line, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'll wait for this fellow to touch,
Yeah.
and then I want to see a TP.
Mm.
So what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for a touch,
Mm.
and then favorably crack and snap back
Mm.
with a turning point,
Mm.
and then I'll take a trade here.
Mm.
Or if it is plain and simple going up like breakout,
Mm.
yeah, from here I'll just enter there. So so that will be my approach. Did I answer your question?
Okay.
Did you like any one of our answers?
I liked all the answers. Yes. Now, can I just okay? I think I have asked that question. What I wanted
You
to
can
ask
ask
in the
any-
second question, in my second question. Yes.
So so first question is answered.
Okay. Understood. Okay, so this analysis you are going to perform on all the currency pairs. Is that correct?
Yes.
Then, yeah,
Yes. And how long it takes to analyze this on a Saturday, Sunday?
yeah, it is all currency pairs maximum 1 hour. Maximum.
Maximum 1 hour. Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I would take maybe 15 to 30 minutes. You would take possibly 1 hour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
1 hour. I'll make notes and then from there I filter it out. Okay, these are the high probability pairs.
What high probability pair means?
Means potential to
Yeah, potential. Yeah. Yeah,
Fix the boxes.
yeah. So, but everyone understood what's just now Sri said?
Yeah.
Sri is saying, what did he say, Ronak?
Just these are the points he'll be considering before entering the trade.
Yeah, so before selecting the trade, yeah, so what are
Yeah.
the, so out of the we'll go one by one. Let's do that exercise as if we are at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Yeah,
Yeah, yes, yes,
we will
yeah,
start, we'll start with AUD
brilliant.
USD.
Yeah.
See, Sri wanted to ask this question, but he is afraid. Alright.
Probably afraid of you, Partha.
Why?
You sound like a strict teacher. The
No,
one,
no,
the
it was
one who
the,
always punishes the students.
No, am I?
no,
Make
no,
them,
hang
make
on,
them
hang on.
stand outside the class.
And
I got a very, very nice answer to this,
yes, go.
right? Partha as a teacher knows what actually a student want to ask. So he know exactly.
Yeah, I like this answer.
Yes, yes. No,
Yes,
no,
yeah,
okay,
from
beautiful.
my experience, yes, I can make out what the student is trying to ask. Yeah, I
Yes.
can do that. Yeah. And Ronak, I'm not strict. Yeah, of course I'm strict if you are not doing the practice task. Yeah, obviously I'll be strict. All right, this is Aussie. I'll give you every one of you 30 seconds, starting from Marty. We'll go this sequence: Marty, Sri, Valinder, and Ronak. Everyone comment from here for 8 currency pairs. 30 seconds each. Marty, your time starts now.
To me, it looks like we've started a bit of a consolidation, so I'd stay out of this one.
Stayed out. Very good. Just say what he will do. Marty said he will stay out of. Why? What you want to do and why? Marty said is a consolidation. He would like to stay out of it. So Marty's got 10 out of 10. Next 3.
Okay, it is at the support. It is finished its consolidation. It is ready to go long. I mean, I'll be watching. Then when there is the opportunity, I will go up to that the long bar. Yeah, so that is my maximum rate.
So you will go long. What? Yeah, that is clear. But you will be watching. That is not clear. What you will be watching?
I'll be watching a clear reversal to entry.
And what is your clear reversal?
A turning point.
Very
It's
good.
correct. Yeah,
Excellent.
turning point.
Turning point. Has it happened yet? Ronak, you don't know the turning point because you are not there yet. Possibly, we will cover that when time comes. Okay.
Not yet happened.
Okay. But thank you, Sri. Sri got 10 out of 10. So he will wait for a turning point to go long, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Valinder. Valinder, are you there?
Hello?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Go.
sorry,
What is your opinion?
I will be waiting till because there is a weekly point ahead of the price, above the price. So we will be waiting because in the 2-day setup, there is a short in a 2-day setup. So we will be seeing what will happen near the weekly points, near the weekly pivot points, what will price will be doing with it. Because I will not go long because it's in a 2-day chart, it's a short setup actually. Although it's a trend line in a 4-hour, but I don't give that much respect to that 4-hour trend line, man.
So what is your answer? You will do nothing.
I will be waiting couple of, like, at least till Wednesday. What will happen there? If I'm already short on AUD USD actually on a 2-day chart frame, so that's why.
All right. Ronak.
Yeah, it's one of those things. Look, it looks like there was a massive sell-off a day or two ago, and probably at the moment, either the market is trying to consolidate or it is trying to sort of push up. And again, if those two dotted lines, if they are the 50 and 100-day EMAs,
Yeah.
then obviously it's showing it's on a bit of a downtrend. So I'll wait. I'll see if it breaks or at least touches those 50 or 100 EMAs.
Yes. Very good. Fantastic. All of your answers are excellent. Very good. So one thing my answer would be, my 2 cents would be, one thing we must not forget any time, that whatever time frame we are trading, 4 hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We must see what the 5 times time frame is doing. 4 multiplied by 5 is what?
20.
24. You all failed, yeah. So we need to see, in trading we don't trade 20 hours, that's why it is 24. Alright, so we need to see when we are trading 4 hours, we must see what the 24 hours or the daily is doing, isn't it? So what the daily is doing now? One sentence answer, anyone?
Consolidating.
No, so Marty says consolidating. Sri, one statement only.
It is ranging.
Ranging, Valinder.
I forgot the term, buddy, but it's forming a triangle. If it closed below and lower taken out, then from the 21st until the trend line, that price will go down that much, buddy. I don't forget the term, man.
So are you saying that I'll help you on that?
Rising wedge.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's a downtrend, isn't it?
It's a downtrend.
It's a downtrend and it's a clean
Wedge. It is called wedge, mate.
yeah, it's a wedge, yeah. So you wait for this fellow to break and go down.
Take
Yeah?
out, and from this, I think it is 29th because I'm seeing in your chart actually. From no, it's what's the date? Like lowest peak, the trend line has started from
This one?
21. Not this one, the bottom one.
21, yeah, 21.
From here to the upper neckline, whatever price, whatever the length of that one, price will go. We can expect it to go till that one, that down line. That's a wedge actually.
Okay,
Forget
very
that.
good, excellent, fantastic. Okay, I will add 2 cents onto it. If see, this is the head and shoulder, isn't it? This is the head,
Yeah.
Yeah.
this is the right shoulder,
Yeah.
yeah, and this
Yeah.
is the left shoulder, and this is the neckline, yeah.
Yeah.
And now the most important thing is joining the head to the right hand shoulder, and it is testing that, isn't it?
Yes.
And is it a all sellers out bar?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, as of now. Can it break down?
It can. It
can.
can.
So what I will do, my 2 cents will be, I'll be buying here as a all sellers out buy. So I'll be buying at 73.54 and my stop loss will be very close, which is around 3 1 2 3. I'll go to the third lower low. So I'm entering at 73.54 and then we'll be doing 73.33. So that is 21 pips stop loss, yeah.
Yeah.
21 pips per stop loss. If it is going up to 73.70 up to this pivot, yeah.
Yeah.
I got 15 pips, isn't it? 55 to 70, 15. So if it is going up to this point, then I'll go to 1%, yeah. But
Yes.
only the approach here, why your approach and my approach is different, there is a little difference because you are you are saying all the correct things. I'll wait, I'll see, I'll do that. But our rule says if it is all sellers out, then the possibility of buying that is the best reward to risk opportunity, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
But at the same time, that brings the highest opportunity to go and hit the stop loss, isn't it? Correct.
Yeah.
This trade-off will be there for the rest of our trading life.
Yeah.
Yeah, this trade-off, whether to take a calculated risk of high return and low risk, or whether to wait for turning point to lose some pips, or Balinder, I don't know where from he said that he'll wait for Wednesday. Wednesday price may be here, or Wednesday price may be here.
No,
So
I told you to go long. I will wait for the Wednesday because.
why Wednesday?
Sorry.
Why Wednesday?
Because
Wednesday
it's
is here. Huh?
Yes, it's because it's little in a 4-hour weekly. It's below price is below the 4-hour weekly pivot points, man, and it's a short in a 2-day setup. I told you.
Fantastic, brilliant. Okay, did it answer your question, Sri? There is no correct or wrong answer in trading. That's what everyone trades. Even if we are learning the same from NP Financials, but we are having our different ways to see the market because of 2 or 3 things which are extremely different from person to person. The first thing is risk appetite. So you may be a risk averse person. He may be a risk taker. He may be, another person may be a rebalanced risk person, isn't it? So that is number one. And number two, the fear of not watching this market because of the time constraint. Yeah. So if anyone is doing 9 to 5 job, it is difficult for him to come and see every 4 hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
So for him, the subconscious mind will say, if I cannot watch this market and this is already a risky market, I'll possibly avoid this trade. Again, risk, isn't it?
Yeah.
See how the time availability and risk are absolutely dependent on each other.
Yep.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So any doubt on that? Any question on that?
Nah.
Sri, do you have any question?
I think he's lost his connection.
Sri, he has dropped. Let's see, find him. Let's give him 2 minutes. You can ask. Yeah, go. Sri, you are there back.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
So
I'm
did
VPN.
I answer your question? Did all of us answer your question?
Sorry, I missed about 2 minutes, I think.
No,
Okay.
I just we concluded that our availability of time to trade, that is time richness or time poorness,
Okay.
will eventually dictate our risk aversiveness or risk balance or risk taking nature.
Okay. So now, okay, my question has come back. Okay. See, now we are, let's say, this is my time frame where I'm trading, which is 4 hours. So I will refer to the 5 times, which is daily. Then I understand from that time, longer time frame, then to make that decision. Is that correct?
Can you repeat slowly?
Okay. My trading trend time frame is 4 hourly.
Correct.
Yeah. So to finalize to make a decision to enter the trade, yes or no, first I have to go back, go to 5 times time frame, which is daily here, and understand what exactly happening with regards to the price action.
Yeah, especially on the last part. Yeah, last.
Especially on the last bar, or whatever. Then based on that, you make your calculated technical analysis, then decide, then enter.
Correct.
Okay.
So we'll go to the next one.
Okay, good.
So Euro AUD.
Okay, just here, because now we are going to Euro AUD, I straight away think that because Aussie is in a kind of setting up in a long trade, so it is Euro is going to be a kind of a short trade because of the negative correlation.
So that's what you want to start. That is your starting point.
My question is it the correct, or first I have to go and check what exactly happening with regards to Euro as well?
No, we will not fluctuate like that. Then we will go crazy.
Okay.
So to answer your question, we will not rely too much on correlation. Number one.
Okay.
And number two, we will not, because it is Euro AUD, will not go and see what Euro is doing. Yeah. Then in that case, I would say that possibly we need more time to develop the skill. Yeah.
Okay.
We will see individual charts, individual price action, and individually we will decide. Yeah.
Okay. Clear. Yeah.
Marty, your chance.
Okay. With the Euro Aussie, I'm in 2 frames of mind on this. For a 4-hour time frame, I'd go long with half the position size. As we can see, the most recent T star and P star, we draw a Fibonacci from those two. It lines up with our
from here. Hold on, from here to here.
No,
from here to.
Yep, from the T star to the P star.
Yeah.
And that's sort of lining up with our monthly pivot.
Yeah.
78. So on a 4-hour, that's fine, but on our weekly, we have 2 reversal candles with a Fibonacci lining up with those as well.
So what is your answer?
So I would go long with half the position size on this.
Everyone understood what Marty said?
Yes.
Kind of.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, Ronak says count off. Yeah, all right. Alright. So what is saying? You said something on the weekly time frame, two reversal bars. Is it, Marty?
Yep, so if we draw another Fibonacci on the weekly from
That is-
our P star to our T star,
Hold on. Our P, this is the P star,
yep,
and this is the T star, isn't it?
yep.
Yeah.
So we've had an inverse hammer, and now we've got just about an engulfing bearish bar right there on coming up to our Fibonacci point.
Everyone got what Marty said? Marty said that when he's drawing a weekly Fibonacci from this P star to T star, he's getting a bearish engulfing at a Fibonacci level of 50%. Yeah. Okay, that's why
As
he
well
will.
as that inverse hammer there as well.
This is the inverse hammers here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is why he will take a half a point to go long here. Okay. Valinder,
Yes. Yes.
what you will do?
I will be, because its price is near that. I don't trade. I told you 4 hours, but I take help from the 4 hours. Price is near the pivot monthly and 200 monthly, and
Daily.
it's.
This is
I will wait for it to rebound from here. Actually.
okay. So you will wait. Sri, what you will do?
Wait.
Yeah,
For rebound.
Very good. Sri.
So again, that is about straight away. There is a 50 to 60 pips. So I will short till the 200 moving average.
So you will short this market here.
Yeah.
Why? Why you will short?
Because daily,
Yeah.
if you go to the daily,
Yeah. This is daily. Go.
yeah, daily it is. On daily, it is a downtrend.
Downtrend.
I mean,
Is this? I'll ask you. Okay. First, let me draw this. Is this a
It was
downtrend?
correction.
Yeah. That's
no,
correct.
no, when I say downtrend, so it is reversing from the channel, top channel.
No, that's not downtrend. It's a corrective down in
yeah.
an uptrend. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
think Valinder said. Okay. You wanted to
short,
say that. Okay.
Short term.
Corrective
short-
down. Corrective down.
Corrective down. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now 59, 5992, and it is moving. I mean, it's going down till this lower channel.
It may go down. It is going down. It is a different statement. It may go down, isn't it?
It may go down.
Yeah.
But currently there is nothing for to go up.
Thank you for that. But what me as a trader, what I'll be doing, I'll be seeing this daily first for 5 times time frame,
Yeah.
and then I'll quickly mentally. Now I am getting old, so I'll draw a mental Fibonacci from here to here. Then you will see that 78.6 is supporting the price for last 3 days. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And it is an uptrend. And
Okay.
it is an uptrend. It may come down to this level. It may go down to we don't know. But at this time, this is a harami, isn't it?
Okay.
This
yeah.
is a possible all sellers out and a harami, and this is a uptrend, isn't it?
Okay.
All sellers out, possible harami at a Fibonacci level, and with a 200 support. It may come down to 200, may break down 200. What it can do 1,000 times, it can
Okay.
do. But for the time being, I'll possibly wait for this trend line to break, because we are in a monthly pivot. We are doing a kind of consolidation around this. Yeah, this is not a perfect head and shoulder, not yet. So
Yeah.
if it is breaking this green trend line, we possibly go long, and if it is breaking this line and coming back to this 200 and doing a crack and snapback on the 200 upside, will go long. But I'll definitely go short. I'll not definitely go short here because of this uptrend here. This is uptrend here. If you want to go short, you go short here at the top when we have a class double top, isn't it?
Okay, understood. Yeah.
We have a class double top. When we have
Yeah.
a class double top, you that is one of the difficult situation. We don't sell at this a class double top with a shooting star or a kind of harami. This is nothing. Very precisely, this is nothing, because but it has gapped up, isn't it? This is a fantastic candidate for a dark cloud cover because it has gapped up, opened high and closed below. Yeah. So if I combine these two, is it a dark cloud cover?
It's not it.
No. If I combine
It's
these two,
you can combine those two, yes.
so so
Definitely.
if you want to short this market, either short this one here because of a possibility of a dark cloud cover or a evening star at a double top at a
So,
resistance.
my analysis of for the previous short, basically, I'm scaling in. I'm already entered a short here.
Okay.
I'm scaling in. So, sure, yeah,
Sorry.
that's it. Maximum of 50 to 60 pips.
Okay, very good. We'll go to next one, EuroCAD. Yeah, Marty.
I'm short on EuroCAD.
Sri.
It is a crack and snap. It is. So I will. I don't go short. Is it? I don't go.
Where the crack and snap you saw?
No. Okay. So that's red. Is no. It is a trend line. Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's a support. Yeah. Yeah. That's the red one. Okay. I thought that's a 200. No.
Okay. So you do nothing?
I do nothing now.
Valinder?
I'm already on a short lines, on short side.
Yeah, so we can only short this market because this triangle is broken. So of course it can be a crack and snap back, isn't it? It can
Yes,
be.
it
It can be
can.
immediately go up here because again a Fibonacci drawn from this point will reveal the same thing. So if we do a draw Fibonacci from here to here, it is possibly getting a crack and snap back on the 78.6, or it can do 88.6, or it can go down, isn't it? Yeah. For this, yeah, I would be doing the same thing what I did before. I'll be drawing a breakout line as it is breaking this one. They see this too close below. So if this low is taken out, then I will go short up to S1. Otherwise, I'll not go long here. Okay. Any question to anyone's?
Close below. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go to Euro USD. Any question on EuroCAD?
No.
This session, all the sessions are recorded. This also session is getting recorded. So after 7 days, we may check to see what everyone has seen and who is more got the maximum output. Yeah.
Okay.
That does not mean he is the best trader. He may be lucky that week. Why it is lagging so much? Euro USD, Marty. I'll bring the daily. Marty, you there?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, yep. It's looking like we're setting up for a double bottom on the daily. It could be a good long opportunity.
Yeah, so
This one, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
And in 4 hourly, what you will do?
And 4 hourly, what I would do, we're right on the support. I'd probably wait for a bit more buying to come into that market. as in a stronger bullish bar before I entered.
Strong. Marty will wait for strong bullish bar to enter because we are at a support and all sellers out. Yeah, Sri. Thank you, Marty.
Yeah, same thing. What Marta said. That's my yeah. It's a double bottom, and on 4 hourly, I will wait for the clear TP and go long.
Valinder.
I'm staying out of this trade because I'm already short on a AUD USD, I told you, and in a Euro USD 2-day chart, like pivot, it's already it's already going short, like especially line chart, but because I told you I'm already on a short on that one, so will not be going everything on at the same time. Man.
Thank you, Valinder. Ronak.
Yeah, I'll wait for the support to break, or yeah. Basically, I'll have to wait.
Yes, very good, extremely good. Yeah, I agree to all of this thing. I think this is, I agree to this. This is a possible double bottom with all buyers out. This is a very good also sellers out. My mistake. All sellers out at a support. So we all wait for a little bit of at least a hammer or a harami or a morning star to go long. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least one currency pair we all agreed. Unbelievable. Alright, GBP USD. This is good. This is good because everyone is participating and everyone is saying, and everyone is having the opportunity to come back and see after 7 days what he has seen, he has discussed. Extremely good. I'm enjoying this session. Very good.
Yeah, good for you, not for me. It feels like playing cricket with all the international players while still being at the local level.
I already told that Ronak is only 4 months old. Yeah, so don't worry.
No, I'm really waiting to see Ronak's what is that
Trade
trade
journal.
journal,
Yeah, I'll show
trade
you.
journal, because always look.
That's what
Fresh
they
set
do.
of eyes. Fresh set of eyes is always good in the market, Ronak.
That's what they do. Raise it up and then crash them down.
No. It is not like that. It's not like that.
They
The
means
truth is
who?
truth.
They means who? Market? Market?
General, market. Yeah, put it that way. They let you win few, and then they make you lose big.
That's called hook.
Ronak has not sent me, I think so, maybe I may be wrong, what his latest 100 entries were, but this is enough. I think he shared with me 43 entries, and see the neatness of his job as a 3-month or a 2.5 months old trader. How good is that? Look at his 20.7%, 20.7%, 20.7%, 20.7%, 20.7%, 20.7% matching everywhere. That means what? How clean he has maintained these two columns to get this 20 here and this get 20 here, there, isn't it? And he's only 3 months old. What do you want? What do you want to say to Ronak, Sri?
Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you.
And more to come.
That's it.
Marty, to Ronak.
It's very impressive.
Yeah.
Valinder to Ronak.
Good luck, buddy. Just
Thank you,
keep
Vali.
going hard.
Yep. So what he has done, he has proven or proving himself in last 1 month that he can be a very disciplined and controlled trader. Yeah, this percentage is not important. This percentage can be 4%. I don't bother. Yeah, this percentage is not important. Percentage is not important.
So this is on a back testing, yeah?
Intraday back testing. Yeah.
Intraday back testing, yeah.
Only one live trade he took, and he is honest. And market god had gave him 1.13%. And see how good is he? He is very good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would appreciate all of you. Marty has also started to do this in your backtesting, in your demo trading and your live trading. Be as clean as this. His is actually, I think he is more cleaner than mine. Mine is this one. Mine is this one, a little bit hodgepodge. but yeah, yes, but yeah, I'm a little. I'm also very clean. I'm not clumsy. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, but I think he is cleaner than me as well. It's very good, excellent. Keep it up, right? Keep it up. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. Please share your latest one with 100 entries. Have you done
Yeah.
100 entries? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good, excellent. All right, GBP USD, Marty.
I'm long on this one. I can see a big flag formation, big chart pattern
In what time frame?
on that 4-hour time frame you were just on.
Okay. So he is referring to a flag. Possibly he is doing this from here to here. Marty.
Yep,
And
bouncing
then,
200 moving average as well.
then from here to here. So he is long. One thing. Okay. So Sri. You want to see daily? If you want to see daily, please tell me.
Yeah, this is long. It's a what is that? Flag. Yeah, down flag in a uptrend. Yeah. Once it's long for me.
Yeah, because it is a uptrend and we are having a.
What
You
is it?
said a wrong.
falling flag.
Yes, you said a wrong word. I forgot the correct word. It's a falling wedge.
Okay.
Not a down flag. Yeah.
Falling
Well,
wedge.
well, yeah, but at least you are correct. Yeah, very good, excellent. So we are all long here. Valinder,
No, I'm not long here actually.
you are the only trader because I am long here and I'm losing money. Yeah, why you are not long?
No, I told you I'm a short in a Australian dollar, so
Yeah.
I generally don't go on every USD pairs at the same time. That's why
Okay,
I told you, man.
very good, excellent.
Like same I said with the Euro
Right,
USD.
excellent. If you have told me once and if I have not understood, you have to tell me 10 times. Okay. But yeah.
With this one, Partha, sorry to interrupt, but
Go.
on few of the sort of back testing, at some stage, what I've observed was if those three EMAs, if they're this close, sometimes I have seen them go the opposite way. So if I was to put my money here, I would wait until it crosses or goes way above the 250 and 100 for me to go long. At this stage, I wouldn't touch it personally. I could be wrong, but I've seen it go the other way at a few of the back testings that I've done.
Yeah, very good, excellent. So yeah, fantastic answers from all of you. Yeah, I like the way Ronak expressed. Yeah, I would also do possibly follow Ronak because we failed here as a 200 bounce. We failed here as a 200 bounce. Third time, I am the last person to take entry here. So that's why if I am having two losing trades back to back, and I'll not go long here because yeah, this may crack. Yeah, this may crack the 200 because it has already not passed almost two times, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, no one is correct or wrong. We are just discussing as all of us as a professional trader. Okay, I'll ask you a question. What does this F means?
Do you want me to say it here?
No,
Okay.
I'm not asking that F. You are an idiot.
Because that's what if I had put my money there, that's what I would
Fake,
feel like.
fake, yeah, fake.
Fake, F-A-K-E.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fake, fake. Okay, anyone other than Ronak said what does it F? Marty
False entry.
Full bar, I don't know.
and Valinder.
False. It is false.
False.
Like,
I'll give you Ronak a second chance. What is this F?
I don't know. Fake breakout. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, it is fade. F-A-D-E.
Okay.
Yeah, fade. So what does it mean? So if we this is a downtrend, isn't it?
Yeah.
I also forget that's why I have written down so that I don't forget this next time. All right, what does it mean? It means that if we are in a down, it is a downtrend, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it is a possible head and shoulder, correct?
Mm.
But not yet happened because the neckline is not broken. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. All of a sudden, if you remember this date, 9th of July. Friday 2021, what happened in Great Britain? What happened to Britain or a country, England? Oh, England. I'll give you a hint. What happened to England on 9th of July?
Brexit.
No,
They got
2021.
independent.
2021 means only 2 days back.
Just 2 days back.
7 days or only a month back. 9th July 2021.
What happened?
You tell me. You are 4, I am 1.
They got independence.
From whom? They are independent 1,000 years back, man.
Probably all the immigrants there. I don't know. They finally decided to leave. They're like, yeah, we're going.
Oh my God. Ronak is too much.
I'm just guessing. I don't know.
Valinder?
They lost
Don't
cricket.
know, buddy. I have no idea.
The football, was it? Football final?
Yeah,
there you go.
That's
Football,
correct.
football, yeah, football.
Sri was very close, and Sri gave a clue to Ronak, and Ronak said football. Yes.
Football, yes.
UEFA Cup final.
What it called? Yeah, against
They
Germany,
lost.
yeah?
They lost to Belgium.
Argentina? No.
Belgium.
Yeah.
And they hammered all the Belgian, any Belgian who were there at the which airport it was. They bet each one of them. Unbelievable. Oh, such a rowdy crowd I have never seen. But look at their behavior on that football final. They thought that they are going to win. For nothing, this price went up. Can you believe that this is because of the country playing a football final of a UEFA Cup? But these things happens for only England, not for anyone else. Only for England, because of the rowdiness of their behavior, they do this. And that's why I have written F means fade.
Football.
F means fade. That means what? It will definitely fade. Let's see. See, it faded. Faded the up move here. Yeah. So this is football, which was crazy, and then this is professionalism, which is trading.
The reality.
Yeah. All right. So that is what F is. Okay. Next one. Do you want to complete the rest 3, or you are happy to me to go to the next question, Sri?
I think let's go to the next question. So at least we understood the price action analysis.
Yeah. So we'll go to the next one. Then by using the price action analysis, how he or she trades on a daily basis, please demonstrate the current market by using we have done that, isn't it? 4-hour range bar system. Or
I would like to.
New. I think for this you have to take a class with me. Okay, let me try. But I think it will take because most of them will not. But let's see. Let's try this one.
No, we will.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll answer this last. Okay, how do you pick a currency to trade on a particular week? That's what we already discussed.
Okay, so we already discussed. Yeah.
Okay, to add 2 more points here, we need to. That's an excellent point here. I think that's a very good question. We all suffer from this problem of which one to trade and which one not to trade. Yeah. So for that, what I have done myself, because I also suffer from this nausea, is alright. What I have done is I have done a top 5. Yeah, started with 5, but it is no more 5. It is 7 now, or 9. I think 8 or 9. So what I do, after scanning the market on a Saturday, Sunday for 1 hour for the next week ahead, tomorrow, I select 2. I may be extremely wrong. Yeah, don't exactly copy me, but you can get the idea at least. I try to select 2 from each asset class. So I have selected GBP AUD and GBP USD, and green background means long. And 2 from the Forex, 2 from the shares, Apple and Afterpay, and then 2 from the index, SPTRD, that is S&P 500 and ASX, and 2 from commodity, cotton and natural gas, although cotton is not one of our in 8, but we used to trade it, and then 1 or 2 from the cryptocurrency. So all the 5 asset classes are covered.
Yeah.
So I have only selected one, and I have not selected Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin. So these are the only 8 8 instruments from all the 5 asset classes which I traded, because that was done last Saturday Sunday. For this month I have not, for this week I have not yet done. I'll do it tonight. So I'll select 2 currency pairs, as Valinder said. He only trade one this thing USD related currency pair. So me here selected 2 from the forex, 2 from the index, 2 from the commodity, 2 from the share, and 1 from the cryptocurrency. So those will be the main one. And the next one, if I'm still having money and our portfolio is actually suggesting us to take some more, then we have a second list in which silver is short, lumber is was short that time, and Bitcoin was long, Dow Jones long, DAX long, Nasdaq long, live cattle, all those things, Google long, Tesla long, Goldman Sachs, CSL Square. Yeah, so you can also follow a similar idea or something different to have your highlighters as only 9 or 5 or 2 or 3 or 10 currencies or instruments all put together, to look for the day to put your real 1%. Yeah, I probability trade 1%, and then if you're having 10% at your portfolio risk and you have put only 9%, you are already having 1%, isn't it, left out. Then you go to your second list and find out the one of them, the best one. Yeah.
Okay.
And the one which you would possibly try to avoid is the one which is ranging or not having any color, like this one. Except iron, I would not touch this rough rice, high grade copper, orange juice, dollar index, crude oil, Amazon, gold, coffee, soybean, corn, Facebook, Litecoin, yen, Neo, Denmark, Krona, Eurocad, GBP, CHF, Euro USD, Aussie USD. Yeah, because to my analysis they are not trending. Your analysis may show they are trending.
Okay.
This is an excellent question. I think I try my best to answer. Did I?
Nah, good. Yeah.
How you do the identification of the instrument? You already know that. Yeah. Higher peaks, higher troughs, greater than 200. We already discussed. Yeah. I like these questions. All of you, I encourage you to put the questions in one email and send back to us, support@npfinancials.com.au. Where and how to read the volume on Forex? We do not have volume indicator in system. You can have, but that is useless. Just to show you, right click here on this, not right click on this indicator here, and then type in volume, VOLUME. But for Forex volume at NP, sorry, not NP, at IG markets is useless. Let's see that. See, they are all same, isn't it? They're all same. Yeah. So for why I say useless, because IG is a small fry in a big ocean like Forex. Yeah.
Okay.
So if Forex is $6 trillion transacted, IG would be maximum trading $100 billion or less than that. All the 60,000 clients of IG, maybe 20,000 of them would be trading Forex.
Okay.
So this volume is showing the volume of the 20,000 traders of IG
only. Okay, understood. Yeah.
Any question on volume then?
Okay.
That's why you don't trade volume for Forex. Yeah.
Excuse me, Partha.
Go.
In a GBP USD one-day chart, you have selected 45 units. What's the logic behind those units, actually? I do remember previously we had 50,000 units, actually. Can you see the setting?
No. I think I did it
This
for.
one.
I think I did it for today. Yeah, that's another good question. Is depending on the size of our screen. If it is 10, if it is 10 inch, then possibly we'll reduce it to 25. If it is 23 inch like this, or 21 or 25 or 27, we'll possibly go up to maybe 66. Yeah, so yeah, that 50 or 45 or 66 is only dependent on the size of your screen. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question? Next one. Where and how to read the volume? We have answered that question. Any question here, Sri, or anyone?
Yeah, I'm clear with that. So whatever the volume, it is only IG, IG clients. Yeah. Mm.
If you are
So,
go.
so it means where to, how do we clear? Okay, maybe it's unnecessary thinking, but still, I would like to clear from my head. So to understand exactly what is the overall volume on that particular day on that particular currency.
You'll never know that, because foreign exchange, in the first page we have written FX
Hmm.
is a decentralized market. Do you remember?
Okay.
Module
Hmm.
1, unit 1,
Yes.
page 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a decentralized market. No one is controlling. No exchange is there.
Okay.
That's why it is. But if I go to for example, if I go to an exchange related uh, instrument, for example CSL, which is Australian Stock Exchange, yeah, is overall responsible for that. And then I go to add indicator and then use volume, then you would have a relatively good representation, because it is being controlled by an exchange. This is a high volume, all buyers out. See, this is an exhaustion gap. Yeah, this is an exhaustion gap. Immediately I can say what is what. Yeah, this is this high volume is due to the exhaustion gap here. Yeah,
Yeah.
this high volume is for the breakout gap. This is a breakout gap here. This boy volume is a understanding of a double bottom body to body. Yeah? So this volume is very extremely important in share trading, but not any importance in forex.
Yeah. Okay.
Did I answer your question?
So there is no way to understand the exact volume of that particular day on that particular
Because it is decentralized.
decentralized. Yeah. Okay.
You may alternatively you may go to a highest number of traders in a broker,
Yeah.
but that will be also meaningless, I think.
Okay. Okay.
No trader is controlling $6 trillion market. No one is near that. Yeah. How to understand a fake F trader who is trading machine, algo, or individual person? Is it required to know? My answer is no.
Okay.
My answer is no. But all said and done, the if we think, if we that's a good question, can be. But if we actually search Google, who is the if I type in this fake, this will go in, this will not be any meaningful. But if I type in who is the highest volume trader in forex market, they will come out with names like Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, UBS, and then HSBC, Citibank. Yeah, that means what? 10 out of 10 are the banks. Yeah, are the banks. So if you ask me that question, the bank, if the 10%, but let's take X, Mr. XYZ, and so on, and 10% trading as a head trader for 10 banks. Yeah, biggest banks. Now then the question would be asking, are they brilliant individual trader? I don't know about their person, how many married they had. I don't know about them. But individually, are they excellent trader? Not really. Because if that is the case, then banks would be giving us at least 10% per year interest, isn't it? But banks are giving us 0.25% interest per year. So they are exactly like any one of ours, like a trader, because they also suffer from greed and fear. They also suffer from indiscipline, control, rational behavior. They are also. But next question is, I'm answering that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Next question is, the highest traders, like the 10 banks, are using machine algorithm? Possibly yes. Or
Yes,
they can have
possibly
a
yes.
or they can have a combination of automatic trading and a if an old person like 60 years old, he's a head trader, then he would be definitely using his this thing
Technical analysis.
technical analysis as a discretionary trader. Yeah. Make sense?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, good.
The fake trader, I don't know, mate. Who is that fake trader? I don't know. Fake? No, I don't. I would not use that terminology. I would possibly say that everyone is sincere, but I would say that a trader can be only a professional or an amateur. That is the only way I would look into it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Anyone having any other question on this four? I'll go next.
Is there a way to sort of know if somehow, as Shri was saying, probably what I understood from fake trader is being sort of someone who is manipulating the price in one way or the other.
That is that the meaning of fake trader to you, Sri?
Somewhere, I mean, just I don't know how
Because
to. The
as
word
a,
called absorption, something. You know, he's absorbing. He's basically in a.
he's playing with the market, basically. That's what it is.
Exactly. His fake means basically his intention is to go long, yeah, but first he pull all the because okay now I
Oh,
think coming
now
back.
I understand. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Like you say, 10 bankers, yeah, 10 bankers, okay. Do they use the same technical analysis what we do? For example, if they see the support resistance, yeah, because if we see this is as a support, he I mean professional bank or professional trader, he understands. Okay, there are at least a good number, majority of the people they are analyzing this as a what support resistance. Probably everyone is setting up to go long, right? Let me take their all the stop losses. So I mean, so basically he's trying to go short,
Yeah.
right? Then, oh, okay. So he collected all the, the whatever the traders, amateurs, or whoever it is. Then, okay, everyone is gone. Now I'm going to set up. So everyone follows him. So these kind of things.
Okay. Yeah. Then in that case, I think I have understood now what
Yeah.
it means. Yeah. So it means that yeah. So yes, there
Somewhere I
are
picked up the word called absorption. Yeah, absorption. So that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to absorb everyone and set his goal to in his direction. Then everyone will follow.
yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, that you don't have to go to that extent to know this terminology. In our terminology, it is just a trap. It's we
Right.
say
Yes.
it's
Yeah.
we say it's a professional trap.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, yeah. Then it will be many. I think all the professional traders who are there, yeah, are fake traders in your English. That means
Yes.
what they will be trapping all the amateur traders
Yes.
100% of the time, 100% of the time. And
Ah.
how to avoid their trap to make it
Yeah.
just simple, not fake, not nothing. Just
Yeah.
we'll call it fake. No, we'll call it trap.
Yeah.
How to understand that trap, whether they are trapping us or not? I think we have studied our share trading module 2, unit 2 or 3, in which we have while discussing the volume spread analysis. If you remember, those of you who have done the share trading, Marty, Sri,
Yes.
yeah, volume spread analysis. Yeah, in the volume spread, this is the volume here, and this is the spread here. Spread means high minus low. If we revisit that volume spread analysis, we have clearly mentioned how to avoid those traps, or how they actually build this trap. How they actually build this trap. So I would advise you to go and read that volume 2 and unit 2, module 2, unit 2 or 3, I think so. Then we'll come to know. That is one way to know the traps, and the other way is to exactly know what is price is doing, and what the gaps mean, and how many types of gaps are there, and what is double top, what is double bottom, and all those simple technical analysis will actually prevent you to fall from the trap.
So The volume spread analysis is specifically refers to the share trading, but the similar concept can does it apply to the forex as well? No.
No, because there is no volume.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
That's why we have to be only doing with maximize price for forex. That is more difficult. That's why it's a little bit challenging. Yeah,
Okay. Clear.
makes sense. All right. So then we'll go. We have go to the any other question.
No, I think I'm done with this set of questions. But if you could please,
Go to the last one. Yeah.
yeah, second question.
So I was asking about
Just
new development in our line chart. Let's
yeah.
see that. Where is the intraday GBP? While it is loading, anyone can talk and have any questions answered.
Just if you could just entry and trick, so basically entry and how to read with regards to the divergence. Do we use the same understanding of class A, B, C, class A, class B, class C divergence? That's all.
Sorry, can you ask one at a time?
Okay. So
No,
you
first
are
you have first you have asked this new development and the line chart. Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
So this is the new development in the line chart. What we have tried to do is to color the range bars in a certain way, so that we are solving our most demanding question is to how to hang on to our profit for long. Yeah, how to hang on to our profit for long, so that we are not getting out here. Yeah, so that we are not getting out here when it is consolidating, so that we can hang on from here to there. Yeah, we can hang on from here to here. So that is what we have done. And then in that case and of course to because we all know we can only make money in a trending market, not in a ranging market, isn't it?
Yeah.
And in a trending market, the most difficult the thing is to hang on to the trend, because we are fearful. We don't want to lose money. We don't even if we are holding on to your losing trades for losing $200, we are afraid to make a profit of $5 and we'll close the trade at $2, isn't it? How many of us have suffered this, gone through this?
Myself.
Yeah, most of all of us.
Yeah.
So that is the pain which has been possibly trying to resolve. We have tried to resolve this through this, and this is doing what? Once it is identifying from a double bottom like this one, once it is identifying as a double bottom, then there's a turning point. We can either get into here, or depending on the risk appetite, either you get in here or you get in there. But after you get in there, you hang on to the trade till it is possibly doing a relative divergence, or a turning point after the relative divergence. Yeah, don't Ronak, don't worry about this terminology because we have not covered. So this is a
Yeah,
relative
no.
divergence and this is a turning point. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the first question. Sri, did I answer your question?
Yes.
Then I'll go to the entry point. Yeah, because you are having a good habit to mix all the 10 questions in one question. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, very good. All right. So we will, when we depending on, again I'll tell you, depending on our time availability, whether we are time dependent, time rich or time poor, our risk is also associated with our time availability. Yeah. So in that case, if you are extremely blessed that you are time rich, then possibly after seeing this A class double top, we'll enter at this point when this high is taken out. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That is a very risky trade. You can
Yeah.
price can immediately go down. Yeah, because price was going down. price was going down. Yeah, I think it was yeah. Let's see from there. All right, so the one entry can be at this point very aggressive entry. Second point, balance entry. Sorry, kind of aggressive entry is after this turning point. Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, this is a balance entry, and the third entry is the risk aversive when we see the change in color and the high taken out. Yeah. So these are the three possible entries. Did I answer your question?
So there are, so one is aggressive, one is balanced, and one is aversive. Okay.
So risk
Okay.
aversive. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And where
Good.
to put the stop loss? Putting the stop loss is very simple.
Hmm.
That depending
Hold
on where you are entering. For example, if you are entering here when the high is taken out by the ATR divided by 2, then we will put the stop loss here minus the ATR divided by 2.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Only go to the either if this one if it is lower, or this one if it is lower, whichever is lower. So let's
So-
see in this example, this is low is 182.82, isn't it? And this low is 182.81. So we'll go this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any question on stop and entry?
No, no questions. What is that white line? Is it a dynamic support?
Yes, this is another crazy line which we have identified to see whether it is a it will help us in identifying a pattern called double top double bottom, or it will help us to find out immediate deepest corrective action like this
Okay. So middle support.
middle support line. Yeah. And so is it clear?
Okay. The
Then-
divergence lines.
What?
Next one, the divergence line.
Okay. So next one is saying divergence line. So what is the complete sentence? Is divergence line can be used or not? Yeah.
No, no. The
Yes.
divergence line can be used, but the way to identify the class A, class B, class C is the same what we have learned on the our theory session. Is
Yes,
that
exactly correct. Exactly correct. We have not changed that. So this is the
Yeah.
divergence line he is referring to.
yeah?
Yeah. This is the divergence line he is referring to, and there is the double bottom here with a divergence A class, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because this is higher than this. Yeah?
This is higher, and that is okay.
Everyone
yeah.
agrees. Mati, Valinder, this is A class divergence.
Yep.
Yep.
Is that low lower than the previous low?
Yeah, it is not. Marty caught me in one peep. So this is 182.82 and this is 181.82.81. This is a B class because the lows are same, yeah, isn't it? But in divergence, or even if this is same or similar low, this is definitely higher, isn't it? This is definitely higher because it is 45.92 and this is here 47.90. Yeah. So yeah, to answer your question, yes. But first see the pattern and then see the divergence. Don't think this is a tremendous mistake every amateurs do. Is this a divergence?
That's not.
No, because the second one
It's
is
not.
lower. Because this second one is lower, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let me ask you next question. Is this a divergence?
Higher, higher. No, it is not a divergence.
Because it is higher, isn't it?
Higher, yeah. And divergence is also higher, and also the price is also higher.
Is this a divergence?
Yes.
Yes. A class, B class.
A class.
Okay. Very good. You are getting a 10 out of 10. All of you. Is this a divergence?
Yes.
Balinder says yes. Marty, Sri.
Intermediate, yes, it's a support, yeah.
Marty.
Yep.
Yes, but not theoretical. Yes, because the second one is higher. See this here? Second one is higher. This low should be lower, isn't it? Or similar. This low is 87.90 and this low is 87.85. So this second low cannot be higher. So this
To
is
the
not
dot, yeah.
Come in? Sorry?
It has to be to the dot.
Yes, similar or lower. It cannot be higher.
Now, in that case, if it's
5 pips, 5 pips
okay.
higher. 5 pips is good enough. 1 pip is fine.
Okay.
This is 5 pips. 5 pips is not fine. So did I answer your question on the divergence?
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Any other question?
No, I'm done with my questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone else? With any question?
Okay, that's another one question. The last question from me. In a forex market, it's we say it is $1 trillion. Yeah. So
6
it's
trillion.
$6 trillion daily. Forex is $6 trillion. So what does it mean?
It
So
means
let's say 10 bankers or all the traders, whatever they trade, it is of 6 trillion.
yeah, not 10 bankers. All the banks,
Yeah, yeah.
all the mutual funds, all the hedge funds, all the speculators, all the traders, plus all the travelers, because for traveling also you have to we have to exchange. Yeah, of course, when you are traveling, you have to go through a bank called American Express or something like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So all put together, and the governments, because governments also need black money, do they? in the dark web.
So it means that commodity, whatever the commodity sales or the total global sales uh, that is put together is $6 trillion. Is that correct?
Where from sales is coming? Sales is a small thing. Because it can have import, we can have export. Isn't it? There's so many things. Sell is a small thing, but yes, someone is selling something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone
So
is selling something to you. Importer is selling to exporter. Exporter is selling to importer. Something like that.
yeah. So including all those transactions, global transactions,
Got it.
that means it is extra. It's not only the forex trader is trading 6 trillion. Is that correct?
When the transaction is taking place, I would say everyone is a trader.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
Okay.
I say
Okay.
always, everyone is a
Yeah.
salesperson, because
Yeah.
I am
Yeah.
selling my knowledge and my time.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are
Yeah.
selling
Yeah.
your time and your expertise to your company's boss.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Everyone is selling every time, so everyone is trading foreign exchange every time.
Okay. Okay.
Any other question?
Good. Clear.
So let's see last I would end with this. Last week, top 9, how they have performed. You are interested?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Monday to we'll make it 4 hourly, because we started with 4 hourly, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll start. So this is the week from Monday 2nd of August till Friday, which is 6th of August, isn't it? So we'll go one by one. You tell me whether we have won or lost money. First, Gbp USD. Okay. So supposing we have gone long here, we have gone long here, we did not make much money, isn't it?
How much?
If we have closed here,
86.
we made some money, little bit. But honestly speaking, we did not make money, isn't it?
Because it's ranging.
Because we have identified this market to go long from Monday. We went long on Monday. We again went long on this Thursday. We may made some money, but if we are holding, then we lose all the money, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
Next, GBP AUD. My computer is doing. My computer is saying, "Leave me alone."
That's what my wife does as well.
I love this witty comments in a serious discussion. I really love it. It relaxes all my muscles. What?
Universal truth.
See how much time computer is taking. In the meantime, Marty also falling in and taking a nap, I think.
On Sunday.
Oh my god. Volunteers are already fallen. Yeah. We are all are idiots. See, this is unlinked. Can you see that? That's why it is taking so much time. Oh my goodness.
So it's never the machine.
It's never so it is never the wife.
Yep. It's always my fault.
Always my fault. Oh my
Then
god.
you are a gentleman.
Gentleman. Alright, GBP AUD. We thought that it would possibly go long, and we went long here and possibly stopped out, and we went long here. We made some little bit money, isn't it?
Yeah.
So out of two we are possibly square off 0 0. Yeah. Let's see afterpay. Shares not to be seen in a 4-hourly chart, but shares has to be seen before the close of the end of day.
Afterpay is killing it at the moment.
Isn't it? Look at this, mate. Look at this. Even if it is after the Square, after the company called Square.
Yeah, they taken over 39 billion.
They took over. That is not important. Important is what price they took over. Can you tell me what price?
120 something.
123. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why before that it was trading at 97. After the takeover, it came down. Went up at 119, 30 pips, 30% jump. Then we waited, and then we possibly went long here. Yeah, from a weekly perspective. Yeah, from a weekly perspective. So we went long here. We made some money, isn't it? From 125 to 131. That's good jump, right? Very good jump. Apple. What are you loading so much? 5,000 Apple, we went long here. Why we went long here? Can anyone? I am asking this part. See, why we went long here?
Volume spread analysis, maybe.
Volume spread analysis, maybe. Yeah. Sri, good answer. Sri.
It is. What is it? The center line? Is it a pivot or?
Pivot. Yeah, pivot.
Yeah, it is close above the pivot.
What pivot? This
what is that?
It closed below the pivot.
No, so you went there, is it?
Wherever the long L is written.
But it has not taken the close below the previous day, and also it has touched the first bar. Has touched the, what is that, monthly or what is the center line? Is it pivot?
Pivot, weekly pivot.
Yeah, weekly pivot.
Valinder,
Yeah, man.
sleeping? Why?
No,
went-
no, no, no. What
Okay.
you gave me?
Why
There is a
went-
TP. The previously there is a TP.
Okay. Why went long here? Why anyone could go long here? How? Any NP Financials professional, how he can go long here?
I don't know. Unless you have read some news about it, I don't know. I can't think of a reason.
Valinder?
I don't know about shares, buddy. That's why I'm learning to you.
Unbelievable. Alright, very good answers. We can only go long here on a 3-bar reversal because see this bullish bar here and this bearish, this bearish candle. Let me change this to candle, it will be looking sexy. So this is a bullish candle.
Yeah.
And this is a bearish candle which did not close below this. This is a bearish candle did not close below this. This is a bearish candle did not close. Enough is enough. 3-bar reversal, we go long. Simple.
Black crow.
Simple. Although this is a black crow, it's a failed one. Yeah, it's not a black crow. 3 black crows because it is not at resistance. 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Without contest, candlesticks are useless. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Ethereum.
3-bar reversal. Okay.
You forgot every one of you. And Balinder did the best answer. That's why I'm learning shares. Alright. Well, Ether,
Psychological.
we could not do anything. Why? Although it went up, we did not have any entry. See this here, no entry. Why? Anyone could have entered anything and made money here on this week from Monday to Friday? Oh, sorry, this is the current week. This is 8th. My goodness, that's why. This is 7th of August Saturday and this is 8th of August Sunday. This is weekend trading. Thanks to cryptocurrency. My goodness. Alright. We went long here and we went long here. Did we make money?
Yes.
Yes. Natural gas. Right. So we went long here and we went long here. We made no money here. We made some money there. Yeah, good money. So, what is this bar? Candle. What is this candle?
All buyers out,
All buyers out. What is this candle?
all sellers out.
All sellers out. Very good. S&P 500, SPTRD. Yeah, we went long here and we went long here. We made some money. What is this bar?
All buyers in,
Correct. What is this bar or candle? With a pivot at the
Piercing.
This is
No.
all sellers out at a support. Yeah, at a support. If I draw Fibonacci from here to here, it will be 50%. Yeah. All sellers out. And see this four, 5 candles could not penetrate this midpoint of the big candle. Can you see that? And also the weekly pivot. Yeah. ASX. We went long here, we went long here and made some money. What is this bar? Candle.
all sellers out it is actually. It's monthly.
All sellers or all buyers or what? This
All
is
buyers out, sorry, I meant to say.
all buyers out, but it is not at a resistance, so it is not a all buyers out. This has to be a resistance. Yeah? Next one, cotton.
Long bar.
Big bar at the middle of a trend, which is a continuation. Cotton did good for us, so we went long here, we went long here. And why did we went long here? Anyone?
Double bottom.
Double bottom. Marty.
Yes, I agree. Double bottom.
Balinder.
The same logic like the last 5 candles did not
Correct.
close.
Did not close
This
previous.
is a 5 bar
Yeah.
reversal. This is a 5 bar
Yes.
reversal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we must go long here. We must go long here. But if you're lucky and you are sleeping that time, then you can go here. Okay? So out of 9, we are good at 7. We are bad at 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bad means 0 probability. Just that is the advantage of identifying. It's a very good question answer, Sri. I appreciate. Because of your questions, I could see, I could show the way we identify start of a week. We
Yeah.
identify the we identify the instruments to be traded in that week, and
Yeah.
how we have separate those. There's 10 from two from each asset class. And I think we have done a honest effort to answer all your questions.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. It's good. I mean, this is how it has to be done on a weekly basis so that the price action analysis and you set up for the next week.
Very. Anyone having any last question?
No, thank you, sir.
All right. And before we go, possibly we will be starting a hedge fund kind of offering from N P Financials. We'll be partnering with other organizations to provide money to all of our clients, existing and new. So we'll be possibly starting with $20,000, and you have to pass 2 trading tests. That means some performance test, and you can go for 20,000. Although this number is a little bit away, you can 100,000, 400,000, 500,000. And after passing the 2 tests, you can have 50-50 profit with us, and the entry fee will be very nominal, below $1,500, I think it would be. And if you are trading really good and you are passing those tests, not so difficult, not so easy also, test of performance achievements. So we'll be possibly trading all of us $500,000 in 2-3 months time if God willing everything goes well. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Any
Very
question?
good.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much for your time. Really enjoyed this session, and thanks Rona for your interesting answers on F and other wife. And then
Nah, not other wife, just one wife. Glad I'm sitting in a different room.
look at this, look at the intelligence of that fellow. I said other wife, he immediately caught me.
Yeah, my wife would caught me as well.
And keep it up, really
All
appreciate
good,
it.
Partha.
All
Thanks.
good.
Very good. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thanks very
everybody.
much.
Care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Marty. See you, man.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Cheers. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.